Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We've got Edgar in here with us this morning, and Edgar is a fellow Houstonian who's been watching us on YouTube, and that makes you a crack addict, you know, Edgar. Yeah. So he's a Houstonian crack addict. We got lots of them here. This is Edgar's very first adjustment here at our office. He was adjusted last in 8/21 for injuries that he sustained in an automobile accident, and that chiropractor you said was just doing E-stim and therapies and stuff on you, but didn't really adjust the spot in the lower thoracic spine that you were having the most symptoms in. Is that correct? So Edgar's got, main complaint is lower thoracic pain. He does get neck pain and stiffness every once in a while. He gets headaches 3-4 times a month. Low back pain above his belt that does not radiate down either one of his legs. So he's pretty much just a simple neck and back subluxation patient, which we're going to treat exactly the same way we would every patient. And that's why you came here for, huh? You saw I was an old-fashioned bone mover chiropractor?
The real deal.
The real deal, that's right. Let's check you out here in the mirror. Okay, Edgar, I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again for me. And then back to neutral. Yep. Let's see, his head's forward and over to the right, and he's also turned left. So he sleeps on his side mostly, and he turns this way most of the time and looks at night. Is that right? Yep. And his pelvis is shifted off to the left of center a little bit, or to the right of center, excuse me. Okay, Edgar, let's go back on your stomach here. Since this is his first adjustment, we're going to adjust him on the BioPhysics table first. His right leg is short by 1/2 inch down in his prone position. Now this is interesting finding. It gets shorter, about 3/4 of an inch all the way up, and that does tighten up in his lumbar spine. So that's still a positive Deerfield on the right and a positive Knockless with lumbosacral pain when I did that. I'm gonna start down here in your pelvis, Edgar. We're gonna hit your right sacrum first, center sacrum, left sacrum, left SI, right SI, L5 straight P to A, L4 straight P to A, L3 P to A with a little I to S drive. Yep. Boy, oh boy. A little deeper in person, huh, Edgar? I'm not gonna miss it. Some legs are even already. I bet you this already feels easier.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you still got some short, that leg still got short when I brought it all the way up. I'm gonna hit your left ischium and your left anterior superior iliac spine a little bit more. That stayed even that time. Did that feel easier?
Yes, sir.
Cool. You gonna feel your head popping up next? Nope, we'll get up yet. Yep. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Slide down this way a little bit.
That way?
This way.
Oh, slide down.
Right there. Good. Now put both arms straight out sideways. Like Jesus on the cross. There you go. It'd probably help if I cocked the piece, huh? Yep. Okay, you can relax your hands right there on your tummy. Let this right leg go like a limp rag for me, Edgar. Yes, sir. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to the lower back.
Yes, sir.
Good. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Breathe. There we go. Super duper. So far so good, Edgar. Let's sit jet face that way. Let this relax. There you go. There it is. I can do a double take on that one. Okay, let me check your elbows. Yep. You noisy all over. Crack Egg's gonna love you too, Edgar. All right, let's come over on this table next. This is your very first ring dinger, isn't it?
Yeah. That would
Butt here, head up this way on your back, yes sir. Perfect. Let your legs just relax, Edgar. Your head's gonna lift them up. Slide up this way about 6 inches. Keep going. A little bit more. Okay, that should get close. So that should feel pretty comfortable in that position right there, Edgar.
Yes.
See, if you have your legs up parallel to the floor and no pillow under your neck, you got a forward curve here in the neck now. Relaxes the lumbopelvic musculature and flattens out the lumbar spine. This is the best posture to sleep in to heal properly. You'll heal quicker if you sleep like this. I know wives don't like this much because what am I supposed to do when you got your legs up that high? There we go. You won't be able to tuck the covers in down at the bottom of the bed. It's like maybe about a quarter of an inch. Okay, get this. It's gonna feel tight, Edgar.
Oh, being too high. That's too tight. Okay, break. Oh.
No. Here, scoot down this way about a quarter to half an inch right there. This will be easier. I'm still gonna put the squeeze on you though, Edgar. Didn't work properly if you get these pins in there tight enough. There we go. I'll get you out there as soon as I can, I promise. On this one, Edgar, you want to keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose. Yes, sir.
Oh.
See, you slipped through a little bit. Should let me keep that one in there.
Woo!
You feel that all the way down your
Yes,
spine,
sir.
Edgar? That'll wake you up in the morning, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me do it for you. There you go. See, it works better when I do it. You okay?
I'm all right.
All right. Woo! Yes, sir. Welcome to Team Ring Dare. So when you get up, Edgar, always turn sideways.
Okay.
Bring your legs over. There you go. You always want to get up like that. Because when you sit straight up, the vertebrae slip backwards, and that's where the nerves are. Here, come over here and let me shoot you. We'll look in the mirror already. See how your hands evened out?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool stuff. I love my job. There we go. Now, this is your homework, Edgar.
Okay.
Your head's forward, pulling your shoulders forward. So these shoulders up back first. Flare these guys like this. Yeah, it tightens up that whole trapezius muscle. Then we're gonna bring that head straight back and then look back. You'll feel a little tap on your atlas there. And there, now relax. Try that again, see if this feels easier to you this time, Edgar. Forward and backwards. No, you don't need to do that part, just forward and backwards with your head. That should feel smoother, but you tell us.
It does. Yeah.
Take a look at neutral now. So you're even now on both sides.
And that one right there.
Right down, that's the real deal, isn't it?
That's
So, Edgar, if you felt that one all the way down, ring our ring dinger bell. That's a real deal, too. Well, welcome to Advanced Chiropractic Relief, Edgar.
Thank you.
Since you got your first ring dinger adjustment today and lived to tell about it, that makes you the newest member of Team Ring Dinger. So,
All right. Appreciate
welcome
it.
to the team, Edgar.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So, would you mind sharing with our YouTube audience how my adjustment compared with the other chiropractic care that you've had already?
It's more thorough. You can actually feel it in your body. The ones I was going to before, they kind of just knick-knack here and there, but he's the real deal. So,
Yep.
thank you very much.
I'm an old-fashioned bone mover,
Yes, sir.
and that's all truth to that, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this is your Houston chiropractor, and I'm an old-fashioned bone mover chiropractor. And this is Edgar. We're both Houstonians, and we'll see y'all soon.